In today's video, we are going to be testing and subbing on a Koala Sublimation badge. If you want to see how it turns out, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. I'm gonna start off by creating a new document and then taking the rectangle tool to create a rectangle that is 3.125 by 1.25 by 1.375 inches tall. And then you can design as you want. Then you can kind of create your design. Then you can design it as you want. And then you can just simply export it as a JPEG. For this project, you're gonna need some heat tape, your design, butcher paper, your badges, some heat gloves, and your heat press. To start off, we're gonna take our badge and you're going to take your nail or something sharp and you're going to stick it at the corner and peel off the plastic film. Just like that. Then you're gonna take your design and you're going to take your badge, flip it with the right side down onto your design and line it up where you want it. And then you're gonna take your heat tape and you're gonna tape that down. Just like that. And then this is ready to go to the heat press. So for this project, I'm gonna use my Cricut Easy Press. I'm gonna set it for 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And we can use a small piece of butcher paper since this is such a small project. And we can just put it down and fold over the butcher paper. And then we're just gonna take our Easy Press and we're gonna press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Then we wanna grab our heat gloves and we're just going to open up the butcher paper and rip off the sublimation paper. Look at that ink release. It did a really good ink release. And look how cute that is. These colors look great, no ghosting. All that we have left to do now is grab the backing and it has an adhesive on it. And so you just want to take the adhesive off. You want to flip over your name badge. And then you want to place it in the middle. And you want to place it with this side. So you can see there's like a side with a coil on it. And then the side where the pin goes. And it's like a white little side. So you want to make sure that you're putting it right with this on the right side of your thing. And you want to place it in the middle. And then you just want to press it down. And now you have this cute little name badge. Look at that. And you can really put this whichever side you want. Like, that's so cute. And perfect if you have some employees or a small business or something like that. So I love how it turned out. These would be great if you have a small business or just a business in general. You have clients who have businesses. Love how it turned out. The colors are great. I would say, I don't know if it's this one or not, but the backing is a little bit yellow, the MDF backing. I don't know if you can tell right there. It's not like white, but I feel like I find that a lot with MDF anyways, but it is still cute and the colors do still show up through it. So if you want to try these out, I'm going to have them linked down below. They're great and they're pretty affordable. And I think they would be good if you have a small business, or again, you have any clients with businesses, or if you're going to do like a craft market or something like that, and you just want to wear a little name tag and people know the name of your business and all that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys try them out. Don't forget to use the code Leslie for 12% off Koala and ASUB's websites. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Bye guys.